Hi guys, I would like to just say thanks for subscribing to the Drupal YouTube channel, and I would like to quickly show you when you subscribe how to receive notifications for the new videos that I upload every Monday. And all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button. Here is how it looks like before you subscribe, and then after you subscribe. And here's how it looks like after you subscribe and click the notification bell. It basically appears as it's resonating. So here I have opened a Drupal video on YouTube, and here how it looks like before you're subscribed to the channel, and after you hit subscribe it appears like this. And afterwards, if you just click on the bell next to the subscribe button, you would receive notifications up here when new videos of Drupal up are uploaded, which is exactly what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next videos.